On April 18, 2025, officers responded to a confirmed trespass call at a 7-Eleven in Hoboken, New Jersey. The subject had been banned from the premises on multiple prior occasions. Her refusal to identify herself transformed a routine call into a legal confrontation. This analysis examines the constitutional and statutory framework that governed every decision made.
Go clearance?
Yeah. He wants us to put it on a short form first.
What do we have? I don't know what we have.
She's been told she can't come back here multiple times now. And he wants us to issue it to her. If she refuses to give us the info or she was caught trespassing, then we book her. There she is, right there. Come here. Did you just put that in your pocket right in front of me?
My vape?
Take out what's in your pocket. Did she take that from you guys? Come over here. Come over here. Stop.
Yeah,
Get away
it's
from him.
me.
Over there.
He's like, stay here. One by one, these stuff, please. It's the second time this, like a first time these same the officers come in.
Right.
There's a lot of stuff here. He's a big outside. He's
What's she doing exactly?
exactly. He's by the put the stuff.
She's
He
trying to-
scan no pay.
Okay.
And one just my everyday come in one lady customer.
Okay.
He's the like the.
So she wasn't allowed back in the store, correct?
Yeah, please you try.
And she's not stealing. She just says okay.
Please,
Okay.
Okay.
What's your last name?
Dot.
Spell it.
Put a dot first. Make a space.
There's a space. Spell the last name.
Okay. V. V.
V? V?
Yes, V.
2 V's?
Yes. V.
Your last name's not 3 V's.
Yes, it is.
You have no ID on you.
Bro, I have
What's
no
it?
fucking idea.
Listen, you have anything with a name on it?
Bro?
Listen, you're not going over there, okay? Because you're not allowed. You were warned not to come back in the store, and now you're back here. So we need to identify you before we leave, okay? What's your first name?
D.
D is your first name?
Can I just use the bathroom, please?
No, you cannot. What's your first name?
D.
Stop walking
Come
away.
here. So if
We
you
tell
keep
you a
doing
third
this,
time, you're going to be placed under arrest.
Okay.
Okay, we're trying to be nice for you. What's your first name?
D-A-S-H-I-A-N-A.
Is that wrote down?
That's what I have wrote down. What's your last name?
V.
Spell it.
V.
Your last name is not 3 V's.
What's my last name?
Listen, ma'am, come here.
What's my last name?
I don't know. That's what we're asking you.
So I don't know my last
So then
name.
give us something with your identification.
I don't have nothing.
You have nothing in your bag at all. You
I
said
have
you went to the
none.
hospital earlier.
I did not. I walked past and I went to the bathroom. They were sold out.
Sold out of what? What are you talking about?
What do you?
I went to use the bathroom.
At the hospital that the cops made you go to.
They didn't make me do shit.
Okay.
Okay, let's. Where do you live?
I'm Hoboken.
Where in Hoboken?
By the pad.
What's your address?
The pad.
So you live in the pad? Are you homeless?
Oh my fucking good graciousness. No.
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 Did you think she took anything today? Can you see what?
No, they said she has schizophrenia.
Are you diagnosed with schizophrenia, man?
No, I'm not diagnosed with schizophrenia.
Alright, what's your address where you live in town?
One.
Uh-huh.
Path.
One Pat?
Texas.
One Pat, Texas?
Yeah.
Okay, that's a new address right in town.
Yo, I'm not doing this with you. Like, I'm really not doing this with you.
So, I'm just going to be honest with you. It's either you tell us exactly what your name is and where you live, or you're going to be placed in handcuffs and brought in and we can find out that way.
Okay, so bring me in.
So, you want to be placed on the restaurant?
Yeah, like, bring me in.
Well, I'm gonna try one more time. You have
Bring
ID
me
on you.
in. Yeah, just bring me in. Just bring me in.
Why do you want to be arrested now? Good.
I want you to arrest me.
What?
Just arrest me.
Okay.
Because you're not gonna do it, so let's stop playing the game.
Okay.
She's trying to go.
Come on.
Thank you.
You have no wallet in your purse or nothing like that? So how are you gonna buy the stuff with no wallet? No
What
cash?
stuff, bro?
Your stuff at the counter that you were trying
One
to buy.
coffee? Oh my god. You gotta be rich to buy fucking coffee.
You still have to pay for it.
Huh?
You still have to pay for it.
You gotta be rich to pay for a coffee?
Did you have money to pay for it?
Yes. Why would I not have fucking money to pay for a coffee?
Okay, so you have a wallet.
I do.
Do you have an ID in that wallet?
No.
You have nothing in that
Can
wallet
we
with your
see?
name
Can
on
we
it.
see the wallet?
No, you cannot.
Please? Why not?
Because it's my fucking shit.
Okay, we need to identify you.
You're not gonna identify.
Okay. I'm out. I'm on this. Come on. Let's go.
106.
Bro, you're not gonna identify. Stop
Start
with your
this.
shit, bro.
Give me face on the list. I'm walking outside. Give me your purse.
We're gonna have one female 1025.
Under New Jersey statutes annotated, Title 2C, Section 18-3, criminal trespass occurs when a person remains where notice against trespass has been communicated. Actual verbal notice from store management satisfies this statutory requirement under New Jersey law. Probable cause for trespass was established the moment the subject re-entered the premises. Officers then sought identification before issuing a formal trespass notice or making an arrest. The Supreme Court addressed this exact scenario in Hiibel v. 6th Judicial District Court of Nevada, decided in 2004, at 542 United States 177. The court held that stop and identify laws do not violate the Fourth or Fifth Amendments. Once reasonable suspicion exists, a subject may be lawfully required to state their name. Reasonable suspicion here was supported by a confirmed ban, corroborated by store employees on camera. The subject's refusal to provide a verifiable identity crossed from a right into a violation. Under New Jersey statutes annotated, Section 2C, 29-1, obstruction is defined as purposely preventing a public servant from lawfully performing an official function by means of flight or physical interference. Sustained refusal to identify during a lawful Terry stop satisfies this element. Terry v. Ohio, decided in 1968, established that investigative detention requires only reasonable, articulable suspicion, a far lower threshold than probable cause for arrest. The totality of circumstances standard, confirmed in Illinois v. Wardlow in 2000, permits courts to consider evasive behavior as a contributing factor to reasonable suspicion. The subject's shifting address claims, implausible identification, and attempts to walk away each independently reinforce the legal basis for continued detention under the totality standard.
Yo, they're trying to fucking...
Now your stuff is ours as well, okay? You try being nice.
Get out my bag, bro.
Okay.
Get over here.
Get out my
Somebody
bag.
will pick up her house.
Yeah, tell him to pick up
No,
my bike.
I'll follow you.
No, tell him to pick up my fucking bike, bro. Get off my arm.
Oh.
You want to put you in your face?
302, yeah, you can disregard
yo.
that. I'll just follow front down on the bike.
Come over here.
Okay. Yo, you gripping my shit a little too tight.
Okay.
Alright, so
fine.
let go.
No.
Bro, let go.
No.
I'm asking you nicely. Let the fuck go.
No.
Bro, let the fuck go.
Listen,
Not letting you
ma'am,
go.
he's not
It's
gonna
our
let you go.
policy.
So
Not
we
letting you
gotta
go.
cut this attitude. I don't get it.
You're like, this your first day?
No.
Yeah, it definitely is.
We didn't have to go here.
So can you let go of my arm? You the
It's too late now.
Get the fuck out of my bag,
You
bro.
don't get to make
Too
a
late.
choice.
Yeah, I do.
We asked you simple questions.
Get out
You
my
refuse to
bag.
answer.
Get out my bag. Get out my bag. Get out my bag.
Check to see if that's stuff from 7-Eleven because it looks like stuff from 7-Eleven.
Yes, it's stuff fucking 7-Eleven.
Won't you
Out
read
my bag,
the sleeve?
please. Thank you very much. Yo, there's nothing in there. It's socks, bro. What do you want to do with socks? You want to take my socks? Bro, there's nothing in the bag, bro. Oh my god, you put shit in my bag. A lip gloss. Oh my god.
That little pocket there.
What little fucking pocket? Ain't no fucking pocket nowhere.
No, it's not.
You just fucked my whole bag up.
Come on.
Bro, put my bag down, bro. Yo, can you put my bag down? Yo, if you fucking pull my arm, I'm gonna punch you in your fucking face.
Okay.
Come
on.
on.
Let's go. You're not making the rules here. Not how this goes. Get in the car.
No.
Get in the car.
No.
All right. Come on. Sit in the car. Sit down. Get your legs in the car. Okay. It's not going to go the way you want it to go. I hope you understand that. Pull her.
Come on, sit down.
Bro, you're mad tight, bro.
I'm not.
Yes, you are.
Get your legs in the car.
Why?
Because you are under arrest.
I'm not fucking under. Bro, let the fuck go on me, bro. Alright. Watch what happens.
Get your legs in the car.
No.
Come on, man.
Watch
Stop.
what the fuck happens. Watch your fucking back, bro.
When the subject verbally threatened to punch an officer, a second charge crystallized. Under New Jersey statutes annotated, Section 2C, 33-2, disorderly conduct, requires threatening behavior in a public place with purpose to cause public inconvenience or alarm. An explicit verbal threat of physical violence directed at a law enforcement officer in a public space satisfies every statutory element of disorderly conduct as written under New Jersey law. Following formal arrest, officers searched the subject's bag. This search was constitutionally sound. The Supreme Court in Chimel v. California, decided in 1969, held that a warrantless search of the arrestee's person and immediate area is permissible incident to arrest. This exception requires that the search be contemporaneous with the arrest, which it was in this case. Regarding use of force, Graham v. Connor, decided in 1989, at $490 United States 386, remains the controlling standard. Reasonableness is judged from the perspective of a reasonable officer on the scene, not with hindsight. 3 factors govern: severity of the crime, whether the subject posed a threat, and whether she was actively resisting. All 3 factors supported officer force here. Officers applied only soft, empty hand control throughout. No less lethal options were deployed. This represents the lowest level of physical force above verbal commands on the use of force continuum.
106. Transporting one female 1025 to headquarters. 10620 at headquarters, ending mileage 6893.9. Sensational. Come on. Get out.
Onward, don't touch me, bro.
Get out. Come on. Get that out of your hands.
Oh, my lip gloss. Ooh, fucking move. What you fucking do, guys?
Let's go.
Weird. Bro, can you wait 1 second, bro? You can't go in. Just wait.
Okay, fine.
Don't fucking touch me, bro.
Stop. Cut it out. Just face the wall.
Bro,
Don't need to go like
fucking
that.
touch me. Bro, can you let go? Like you're squeezing
No.
my arm. Oh, squeeze my arm. have a fucking key. What the fuck is this?
Come on, face the wall.
I'm not fucking. What are you talking about? Italian? Y'all go to fuck. Can I talk?
You can talk. You
All right,
gotta
so
face
let's
the
go
wall.
on my arm.
No,
Can I talk?
you can talk. Face the wall though.
All right, so let me talk.
Then talk.
So get your hands off me.
No.
So you're not good. I'm not talking.
Okay.
Fails to give proper information, it can't be verified. You put her in the Jane Doe automatic, she goes on a warrant.
Okay, that's it.
She goes out.
Hello? Oh my fucking god. Oh my fucking god. Are you fucking good?
Okay, face the wall. And Cuffy, put your hand on the wall. On the wall.
You know you being mad aggressive, right?
Nobody's been aggressive with you.
Okay, you've been ripping my fucking shit all fucking night long.
Sit down.
Okay, I will sit down when I fucking feel comfortable. Like, what are you doing?
Give me your arm. Pull your sleeve up.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
Bro, I said no.
Okay.
No. No, make me.
Okay.
Make me. Nigga, make me. Fuck out of here. Oh yeah, you all broke my nose. Fuck you up. Doing the fucking most. Ow. Bro, stop. Stop. It don't, yeah, it will fucking hurt.
One cup to the bench.
Look up to the bench, deactivating.
You're fucking crazy, you know what? Like,
Now for grades. Officers receive a B. Legal basis was solid. De-escalation was genuine. Force was proportionate throughout. However, the absence of a crisis intervention team response after the schizophrenia flag represents a missed opportunity to resolve the encounter without physical arrest. The subject receives a C+. She had a clear legal obligation to provide her name under Hiibel and N.J.S.A stop and identify law. Her explicit verbal threat directly established the disorderly conduct charge on camera. The department receives a B-. Officers acted within legal authority, but no structured mental health protocol was documented. Best practice under the New Jersey Attorney General's directives calls for crisis intervention team. Co-responder deployment when a psychiatric condition is flagged during a field contact. Key lessons from this encounter. First, identification refusal during a lawful Terry stop is not a constitutional right. The Hiibel decision makes clear that stop and identify statutes are constitutionally permissible. Second, verbal threats constitute criminal conduct independent of any physical action taken. Third, mental health indicators observed during a field contact should trigger a structured response, not solely a criminal enforcement pathway. Early intervention can prevent unnecessary arrests. Let us know which legal topic or police interaction you would like analyzed next in the comments. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe for more legal analysis of police body cam footage.